Today we got some insane upcoming sneaker releases that might just blow your mind. From military blue 4s, official images of cherry 12s, J Balvin 3s, Union 1s, reimagined Royals, Yeezy back with Adidas. There's a lot in store, so make sure you watch till the end of this video. Leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Before we get started, I wanted to announce that my clothing brand is officially live. If there's any pieces you guys wanted, make sure you go on NORI.co and check them out. The website's only going to be live for the next few days, so if there's something you want, make sure you grab it, because I'm never going to be releasing these pieces again. But let's go ahead and get straight to the video. As you guys saw in the intro, today we actually have a bunch of different stories to go over. First one I'm going to start off with is the metallic burgundy Jordan 1 high 85s returning in 2024. This is a colorway that a lot of people are actually interested in. This isn't one that I honestly love too much. I think it's cool. I love the fact that they're bringing back another high 85. There's a couple other pairs that I'd rather have in the collection before this one right here. Black and whites, the pandas, neutral gray pair. So this is okay. Let me know if this is a colorway that you guys are interested in. I believe they have also never retro this color. I just thought I should bring it up for y'all, you feel me? First was the high 85 burgundies. Second up, we got the Jordan 1 high royal reimagined. Basically an early look at what these are gonna look like. There's actually suede where the leather would be, so this is an all over suede Jordan 1 Royal. I'm honestly not mad at it. It's getting a lot of mixed reviews, but in my opinion, I think these shits look sick. It seems to me like there's two different types of suede on this one. The black almost has like a smooth finish. Blue has like a more hairier vibe to it. You can see it right here. I want to see how these gonna be looking, because from these pictures, it looks like a cop to me. I don't know. Maybe I'm tripping, but I think these look pretty solid. It's a nice little twist to it. I can't really tell if there's like a creamish outsole. It almost looks like they kept it white on this one. Different coming from that reimagined shit. Definitely could be worse than this right here, so I'm not mad at it at all. Finally got on feet images for the playoff 8s, and these shits are looking splendid, bro. I'm definitely gonna need these in the collection. Been talking about them ever since it leaked that these are gonna come out. My mind hasn't changed. Never had a pair of 8s. I hope that they retro the aquas. If they do, most definitely am gonna need those as well. But these playoff 8s on feet looking spectacular. Let me know if this is a pickup for you. These are supposed to release September 30th, which is a little bit far away. I'm hella excited for these to release, to be honest. It looks like everything is on point. Bro, look at this picture. Like, come on. This is a banger. We finally got some leaked images of what the Jordan 5 year is gonna look like, and guess what? You guessed it. We got more burgundy on a Jordan. This one doesn't look too bad. I kind of like that vintage effect that they have on the netting. Outsole on the little toggle. It doesn't look terrible. There's also supposed to be like a grayish white pair, which I don't think looks that bad. Let me know how y'all feel about this one. Honestly, I wouldn't mind picking this up. If it's gonna brick like the Jordan 12s, I wouldn't mind getting this one right here. At least from these early images that we have so far. We got them on feet right here, and if I'm being honest, these bitches look fire. They looking fire on feet. Them toes look a little crusty, but the 5s looking clean with them cream laces on. Let me know in the chat if this is a cop or a drop for y'all. Stay tuned. As more info comes through, we'll definitely talk about it more on the channel. Got some official images for the burgundy 5s. I feel like it's a beautiful shoe. That whole era of Jordan 5s when they were dropping the clean ass special edition colorways was just out of this world, so I definitely am excited to see these come back. I love me a pair of Jordan 5s. I just hate that new cut they've been doing with the low ass panel right here. Not my favorite, but it is what it is. They are supposed to release September 9th. Perfect for fall. Let me know if this is a cop or a drop for you. For me, it's a cop, most definitely. This pair of J Balvin 3s surfaced recently. They looking fire, bro. It's the best sneaker he's done so far with JB. We had them 2s with the clouds on them, Jordan 1s rainbow on them, and these right here, out of all 3 models he's done, this has to be by far the best one. You got the translucent outsole, super premium vibe on these. You could tell that leather is buttery. Elephant print is in white, and then you got this gradient design on the back. I'm glad he kept it minimal, because this could have easily been terrible. Almost like a sunset kind of vibe on the back of these, and then the whole rest of the sneakers mainly white. Doesn't look bad. These actually look clean on feet. You could even see how the rimming on the leather has like that yellowish tint, kind of giving me Year vibes, but with his own twist. I'm fucking with these, bro. Let me know in the the chat if this is a cop or a drop for you guys. I think it's a solid pickup, bro. Whenever these come out, it's gonna do something. Neutral colorway for the most part. You got a little bit of colors on there, which isn't bad every now and then. Definitely onto something with this one right here. These are supposed to release September 2nd. These dates are volatile. They could change. We really don't know what's gonna happen. For me, it's a Mando cop. If y'all are enjoying this video so far, make sure y'all leave a like on this and subscribe to the channel for more content. Let me know what y'all would like to see in the comments. Also, let me know what's your favorite sneaker so far. Next up, we got the Cherry Jordan 12s. About time. We've been waiting for these for mad long. Earlier this year, they confirmed that they're gonna drop. Now we're getting these early leaked images. Honestly, they ain't looking too bad, bro. It's just what we want, exactly what we need. This is a mandatory cop. I've been waiting for these for a minute. I love Jordan 12s. Right now I own 3 pairs: Playoffs, New Bucks, which is one of my favorites, and the old flu games with a smiley face on it. My shit's low-key unglued. They're cracking and I love them. These right here is another one that's a must cop for my collection. I need these, bro. Let me know if y'all feeling how I'm feeling. These are supposed to release October 28th for $210. Just know that true sneakerheads need this in the collection. It's mandatory. Now that Travis Scott isn't dropping any more Jordan 1s, we're getting a new silhouette, and it's this Mac Attack Travis Scott collaboration. This one's kind of ass, bro. I try to call a spade a spade. If I like some shit, I like it. If I don't, I don't. Like the Air Max 270s, those are pretty clean. This one right here doesn't have anything special on it. It's literally a regular Mac Attack with a reverse swoosh. This one's gonna go unnoticed for sure. There's no special materials on here, no little Cactus Jack logo on it. There's nothing going on with these. Y'all already know when Nike's trying to bring back a model, they'll do collabs on them, this being one of them. So you can expect a bunch of Mac Attack colorways coming in the future. They're just trying to get Travis Scott to revive it. They definitely could have done better on this one. I don't know when this is dropping. Honestly, I could really care less. I know that there's a Social Status collaboration for this sneaker as well, and Social Status honestly did way better than Travis on this collaboration. I love the colorways they used. Definitely gave it like a more vintage feeling to the sneaker. Travis Scott low-key has a trash collab right here. This one's dookie, but let's continue with one of my favorite leaks. The fact that the military blue Jordan 4s are coming back. This is not a reimagined sneaker as well, so they're not gonna switch up the material. None of that. We're getting the OG military blue Nike Air treatment on the back. It's official, bro. 2024 is my year. Like, I've been waiting for these shits forever. If you watch the channel, you know that this is my favorite sneaker. Top 3 from Jordan brand. I've owned this sneaker like 3 times. The last pair I got doesn't fit me and it's busted at this point. This one right here is a 2 pair, bro. I don't ever buy 2 pairs, and this is one I'm gonna have to do that with because I want to beat one, just have one on ice, because I know they're not gonna drop these bitches for another 10 years to come. Definitely need this pair in the collection ×2. Low-key, I want this year to go by and the next one to come so I could buy these shits already, bro. We need these in the collection. Mandatory. Low-key 2 pairs minimum. I do want to say that this video is sponsored by NORI. It's official. Your boy finally launched his clothing brand, and if there's any pieces that you guys wanted, make sure you go on onenori.co and check them out. The website's only gonna be live for like the next 3 to 4 days. After that, these pieces might never come back again, so go on onenori.co and I'll catch you there. This next bit of news might be a little controversial for some of y'all. It's the fact that Yeezy is working with Adidas again. If that even is Yeezy, y'all see the shirt I got on in respect to what's going on. They're giving him 15%, which is 3% more than he had in his previous deal, donating some of the money that they're making off of the sneakers, obviously for damage control. And I want to know how y'all feel about this, bro. Are y'all still gonna be copping Yeezys? I might try to go for a couple pairs. I'm not really too pressed, but I'm gonna do a full video of every Yeezy releasing, so make sure y'all subscribe. It's a long ass list and I'm trying to compile everything, bro, from prototypes to shit that we've seen leaked, which is probably gonna release if they're trying to get everything off. But the first pair we're hearing is gonna release is the Pirate Black 350s. This is one that I'm definitely gonna have to go for nostalgia purposes. I know these are old pictures and shit. Pirate Blacks, bro. What else can we say? It's a beautiful looking sneaker. Yeezy definitely did his magic on this one, and if we could get it for retail, we definitely will try at least. You get what I'm saying? But let me know how y'all feel or where y'all stand with this whole yay with Adidas shit. A lot of people people are saying he should have never went back. That 15% is like $200 million that he could recoup from everything he lost, if that even is yay. You feel me? We don't know. As we get more news for these releases, I definitely will keep y'all posted. This one will always be a classic. Now, these red cements honestly weren't getting too much praise, and in my opinion isn't my favorite color on a Jordan 4, but I know that a lot of people love the red. A lot of people love cements. This one is most definitely gonna go. Nothing too special to me. I honestly am not really a fan of these. I would just rather black cements or white cements. And let me know if y'all are excited for these right here. Y'all can see the little tumbliness on the leather too, so it might have some pretty good quality. Any Jordan 4 with red on it is gonna go. This one's gonna go. We all know it. You feel me? Let me know if this is a cop for you this summer. They release in July. Perfect for summer. Honestly gonna sleep. I already have fire red 3s and fire red 4s too, so I don't need these right here. If you don't have those colors though, I could see why you'd pick something like this up. 3 more stories to go over. The first one being the Kobe 8 Pro Tro Triple White. This one's gonna be releasing August 24th, and whether you're a Kobe fan or you're a reseller, you're gonna have a field day with this one right here, because definitely gonna have resale value, but I don't even think it's about that. Kobe fans at this point are gonna buy any color, whether it has a bunch of different colors on it or it's a triple white, simply just because it's a Kobe sneaker. For me, I've honestly never owned a pair of Kobe's. I was a huge fan of him, but I never had a pair of his shoes, so I don't know. I don't really ball either. It's not for me, but I just thought I would add this one here because I know a lot of people love the Kobe's. Kobe 8 Pro Tro, August if I'm not mistaken. Stay tuned for these because definitely gonna go. We got the satin bread ones supposed to release October 18th. From what I'm seeing right here, October's gonna be packed. From the playoffs to these, the cherries if I'm not mistaken are October 2, but some of these dates might change. The last time we saw this pair right here was actually numbered, so this one's gonna go. I recently made a video of sneakers that I regret. Patent breads was on there. I low-key mentioned that these are coming this holiday. I would much rather have these over the patents. I stand by that, you feel me? If I end up buying these for retail, I would love that, and if I don't, I might end up paying resale for this pair right here. I still don't know if it's as good as the 2016 regular model, but I definitely would rather have this one over some of the other iterations that they've done. Satin breads coming soon. Let me know if this is a cop for y'all. Shit, it's most definitely a cop for me. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. The last shoe on our list is the olive Jordan 5s, another one of those classic Jordan 5 colors from 06 if I'm not mistaken. Beautiful looking shoe, and shit, I'm definitely gonna need these right here. There's a couple other colorways that we haven't seen just yet, but little by little they've been rolling them out. We got the green beans, we got the Raging Bulls, the burgundies coming out, now the olives for 2024. Let me know if y'all are excited about the fact that JB is bringing some of these pairs back. For me, these are clean as shit. All the 5s that they're bringing back are beautiful. I'm not gonna deny it. I would much rather them bring back the Miss Blue Jordan 4s. I remember when these released back in the day, I was a little kid, bro, and I've always loved sneakers. If these re-release, people might sleep on them. Just know that I'm not, bro. This is one of those for me. Nothing's safe with JB. They low-key will bring back anything and everything. Y'all have seen it and it keeps happening, bro. I would love to have these. I would low-key love to have these, and shit, imagine getting some Miss Blues. Nasty, bro. That pretty much does it for all the crazy sneaker releases that we have for 2023 and even some in 2024. Low-key, the sneaker game is heating up, just like your boy Nori. My clothing brand is officially here, so before y'all get up out of here, make sure you go on NORI.co and check out some pieces. Pre-orders only gonna be live for the next few days, so make sure y'all check that out. Also, click this video right here if you want to see me styling any of the pieces that I am selling on the website, just so you could kind of get an idea of what's going on. But I appreciate y'all. I love y'all for life, and I'm gonna catch y'all on this video right here. Peace.